In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts from Gmail. We're going to use Google Contacts, so your people show up in Gmail when you compose emails and in other Google apps on any device you're signed into. Start by opening your web browser and going to Gmail. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one. A quick glance at the profile picture in the top right corner can help confirm you're in the right place before you import anything. Next, look for the Google Apps icon, the small grid of 9 dots in the top right corner. Click it to open the app launcher, then choose Contacts. If you don't see it in the list, you can type contacts.google.com in the address bar to go straight there. You'll land on your Google Contacts dashboard where all your existing entries live. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Import. This opens a small window that asks you to provide a file. Click Select File to browse your computer. For this process, you'll be choosing a vCard file, which uses the .vcf extension. A .vcf or vCard is a standard contact file you might have exported from your phone or from another email service. If you previously exported your contacts, it's usually in your Downloads folder unless you saved it somewhere else. If the file was downloaded as a zip, make sure you've extracted it first so you can select the actual .vcf. Once you've selected the correct .vcf file, click the Import button to start. Google Contacts will upload and process the contacts. Depending on the size of your file, this can take a few moments. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation with the number of contacts added, and you'll typically notice a new imported label with the current date, which makes it easy to review what just came in. A quick note on duplicates. Google Contacts is pretty good at detecting and merging them automatically. If you see any entries you want to tidy up later, there's a merge and fix area in the sidebar you can visit after this import. Also, if the import button looks disabled, double check that you've actually selected a .vcf or a supported file type before trying again. That's it. Your newly imported contacts are now part of your Google account. The next time you compose an email in Gmail, names and addresses from this import should autocomplete. They'll also sync across your devices as long as you're signed into the same Google account. If you need to repeat this later, just come back to Google Contacts and use import again. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.